Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
Crazy. That's crazy. Yeah. Into the gap, baby. That's a clean 96 or 97. My girl had a 98. She had a silver 98. Shit was nasty. That was dangerous though. That dude cut from the left lane all the way over and almost smashed into the damn. Like, why? Why did he do that? I don't get it. So many days I feel like it's fun. No secret. Yeah, they're doing a lot more construction, so a lot more stuff is just like popping up. And I don't know why it's always easier to look out of my left than my right. I don't know why. Homies. Slow down a little bit. What was that? Bros, I am so, I don't know, it's so windy. I keep thinking that I'm gonna turn off my fucking, lose my camera or something. Can't stand it, god dang it. Oh, I'm vibing right now, bro. Don't mess up my vibe, bro. Don't mess up my vibe. Oh yeah, I want to talk to y'all about something else too. So, for the business, I started posting on an app called Whatnot, and it's live selling. So, I'm gonna incorporate that into the business model because it's such an important model that to be able to talk to people live and sell, like, it doesn't get any better than that. I think it'll help with a lot of things too, is confidence in front of the selling yourself and selling your product. So I'm absolutely digging it. I've had a wonderful first day on there. Jeez. He's getting over. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I did my first day today. Did 3 separate lives. I didn't sell anything, which is fine. I mean, it's my first day on the app. I didn't sell anything, but I did get some really good feedback. I got some tips. It was actually pretty cool. I'm digging it for sure. So now I'm just kind of looking around to try to figure out how to let this model, because my model for selling since COVID started, when it started, my model for gasoline. Make sure this ain't doing nothing weird. Oh shit. Whoa. That's dangerous, bro. I was like, am I tripping or do I see signs moving? Huh? They're picking up all the buoys. So yeah, first day, I'm loving it. So I just got to figure out how to, like, before COVID, I wasn't really like carrying much inventory, if any at all. wasn't carrying a lot of inventory. And the reason being is because with COVID, a lot of people weren't shopping, like physically shopping anymore. And at that time, I was in the, don't you do it. At the time, I was in the, I was trying to transition from getting a physical store front and everything, and COVID, you know, completely made that a wrap. So, and it was a good thing because definitely the business would have failed. You know, rent out here is super expensive, and if you want a decent spot with in a decent area, it's not in like the hood, then you're gonna be paying like $2,000 for a space. So what's good? So here's somebody out here getting a ride on too, man. It's a beautiful day out today. It's not too many. It's not too much. Too much traffic. I mean, if you're like in the inner city and shit, let's go. That motherfucker's screaming. Sorry, I gotta stop cussing too. Because once the channel gets monetized, I gotta stop cussing. And I don't want to be traveling through my video trying to find all the cusses, bleeping them out. Kind of lazy. So heck yeah, man. The Whatnot app is absolute fire. It's absolute fire. I just gotta rebuild my execute, so I'm gonna have to start getting some more physical inventory that I used to not. Looks like that's a Toyota. A little more windy over here. Make sure they ain't riding on my booty, my butt cheek. Hey, hey, there's my dogs. Under what ride do we die like love? There's my dogs. There's my dogs. Hey, hey, where's my there's my. It feels so good just to get out and ride, bro. Like just cruise. Today was a day. I've been feeling like I've been having some days. It's just, oh man. I'm grateful. I'm grateful because I know that it could always be worse. Right? It could always be worse. Try to take these little mundane days, these little days that kind of just feels crappy, and I just deal with it, man. Just process it and deal with it. So it looks like we caught up to the traffic. I'd say he was moving to the outside lane. Doing a lot of braking. There's a bunch of flashing lights up there. I don't know what's going on up there. And that's what I'm saying. We're just chilling, man. You know, you don't have to be going 120 miles an hour on every road, every chance you get. Whenever somebody gives you 20 feet, watching these other cars, because like I said, NPCs be doing some crazy off the wall stuff. But then up here it just got super windy for no reason. Like right here in this area is super windy. What the fuck? Oh, I gotta bleep that out. Dang it! Dang it! I told you, dude, NPCs be doing weird stuff, bro. She just got over randomly. It's so weird. Man, super windy. I think so, because we just came over the water, so it's really windy over here. Shoot. I heard sirens in my helmet cam. My helmet comms. I was like, oh no! It's the music. Boy, I yanked my head around so fast. I was like, what? I wasn't even speeding. Yeah. Got guns. Don't get caught. I'm getting used to the boots. I still have a little trouble like downshifting. I guess I'm not pressing down all the way, and I don't have that problem when I'm wearing regular shoes. When I'm wearing my regular kicks, I don't have that problem, but these boots are kind of chunky, and so I'm still trying to work that out. 4 months. Tomorrow is Tuesday on twos. We're gonna see if we can make it. I don't know that. I can't promise. The reason being is, man, fertilizer. I got exams on Wednesday, and I try not to go to the Tuesday on twos now because it always operates so late, and so, which is fine, it's normal, but you just gotta be able to pick what's more important, your priorities, and right now my priority is trying to finish and concentrate on the school. Shit, I'm 60. I think it's 50 on the feeder. Water everywhere. My dumbass. I don't know what the f*** I was thinking. Yes, sir.